A100 questions and answers with verified solutions 100%. Correct. 1. Which method has detected the most extrasolar planets or candidates so far? Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. A. The transit method. Explanation. The transit method has been the most successful in detecting exoplanets by observing the dim ing of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it. Astronomy Magazine +4 time +4 Sky at Night Magazine +4. 2. What fraction of extrasolar planets could in principle be detected by the transit method? Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. Less than about 1%. Explanation. The probability of detecting a planet via the transit method is low because it requires the planet's orbit to be aligned with our line of sight. For Earth, like planets, this probability is approximately 0.47%. Astronomy Magazine. 3. Why are only a small fraction of extrasolar planets detectable by the transit method? OEOE. The transit method relies on us being in the plane of orbit of a planet. Around a STAR, only a small fraction of planets will have planes of orbit oriented in this manner. Explanation. The alignment of a planet's orbit with our line of sight is rare, making the detection of transiting planets uncommon. Astronomy Magazine. 4. Which method could detect a planet in an orbit that is face onto the Earth? Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. C. Astrometric method. Explanation. The astrometric method measures the star's position and motion to detect the gravitational influence of an orbiting planet, effective for face-on orbits. 1/2. 5. Which one of the following can the transit method tell us about a planet? Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. B. Its size. Explanation. The transit method allows astronomers to determine a planet's size by measuring the amount of starlight it blocks during transit. Sky at Night Magazine. 6. To determine a planet's average density, we can use heavy check mark, heavy check mark. C. The transit and Doppler methods together. Explanation. Combining the transit method to find the planet's size with the Doppler method to determine its mass allows for the calculation of the planet's average density. EBSCO. 7. Based on the model types shown in Figure 13.16 of the textbook, a planet made almost entirely of hydrogen compounds would be considered a heavy check mark, heavy check mark. C. Water world. Explanation. A water world is a type of exoplanet composed mainly of hydrogen compounds, including water. 8. What's the best explanation for the location of hot Jupiters? Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. B. They formed farther out like Jupiter, but then migrated inward. Explanation. Hot Jupiters likely formed beyond the frost line and later migrated inward due to interactions with the protoplanetary disk or other gravitational influences. Wikipedia. 9. Most of the exoplanets detected to date are found. Heavy check mark, heavy check mark. B. Very close to their parent star. Explanation. Many exoplanets, especially hot Jupiters, have been found in close orbits around their stars, likely due to migration processes. Fixed assets. Answer heavy check mark, land, buildings, equipment. 1. Likely to last a number of years. 2. Expected to be used in operations of the business and not sold. Inventory. Powered by TCPDF. www.tcpdf.org. 2/2.